Okay, number one, it said the absolute value of x is 108. All right, which means that x equals 108 and x equals negative 108. So we are going to make two equations. 2z minus 10 equal 40 and 2z minus 10 equals negative 40. Then you are going to solve for both equations. Plus 10 plus 10, 2z equals 50, which means z is 25, plus 10 plus 10, 2z equals negative 30, which means z equals negative 15. Alright, so your answer is 25 and negative 15. We have 5t equal 125, which means 5t equal 125 and 5t equals negative 125. Then you're just going to solve for t by divided by 5, which means t is 25 and t is negative 25. Okay, before we solve for this, we need to get that by itself first. So minus 8 minus 8. We have 4 times the absolute value of x minus 8 equals negative 20. Then you divide by 4. The absolute value of x minus 8 equals negative 5. Okay. Basically, the absolute value of something is a negative value. That would be no solution. Right, negative. I mean, please don't write no solution because it's a negative right there. You don't know it's no solution or not yet. All right. Okay. Remember that one has to be by itself before you can decide if it's no solution or have solutions. All right. So we divide by negative 16 to both sides. So we have 3a plus 8 equal a positive 2. Now we have a solution. We have two solutions. Okay. So we're going to write our two equations. 3a plus 8 equal 2. 3a plus 8 equals negative 2. Then we are going to solve for a. Minus 8 minus 8. 3a equals negative 6. Divide by 3. So a equals negative 2. Alright, a equals negative 10 over 3. Okay, so those are your two solutions right there. Negative 2 and negative 10 over 3. Again, we have to get that by itself first before we decide whether we're going to solve for it or not. Alright, so plus 1 plus 1. So we have 13 times 2x minus 24 inside a absolute value equals 39. Then we divide by 13 to both sides. Alright. Then we're going to make our two equations. So 2x minus 24 equals 3. 2x minus 24 equals negative 3. Alright. Let's solve for this. 2x equal 27. because I plus 24 on both sides. Then you divide by 2. Okay, 27 over 2 is the lowest, the simplest fraction, all right? Or you can put 13.5. Or you can put 10.5, all right? So it is important for you to know. First of all, if the absolute value of something equals a negative value, then there is no solution. Okay? If the absolute value of something equals a 0, then there is one solution because there is no negative 0. Alright? If the absolute value of something equals a positive value, positive number, then there will be two solutions. Let's make that by itself first, okay? So again, we're just going to do alright, then we divide by 5. So 2x minus 23, alright, 215 divided by 5, that will be 43. Okay, so right there you can decide how many solutions we have, okay? So here it is. We have an absolute value of something equals a positive number, which means you have two solutions. Okay? Alright? Since that's positive, it's two solutions. If this is a negative, then it's no solution. If this is a 0, then you have one solution. Alright?